Good day, everybody. Steve from OpenBOM, and I'm excited to announce support for DBLibs in Altium. So you can see here in my example, I've got a database library or DBLib that has a lot of parts in it. I use these in my Altium designs. With this release, we now support bringing data from those DBLibs to OpenBOM catalogs. So let me show you how I have mine set up. You can see I have a column over here called supplier one. And what I've told OpenBOM to do is, hey, based on the value of that supplier one column, send these items to these particular catalogs. In my example, I'm organizing them by supplier. You may use a different property with a different value and a different kind of catalog mix. But I've said, look, if it's DigiKey, it goes to this catalog. If it's Mouser, it goes here. So I've done that, and I've also said, hey, look, I want you to bring these particular properties over to those catalogs, ignoring all the others. I've set that up. I've told OpenBOM to use my category settings. And then finally, anything that doesn't get organized is going to go just kind of get dumped into my Altium items catalog. And we'll see how important that is in just a moment. So I've got my DBLib. I'm ready to bring it over to OpenBOM. I'm going to click the create catalog button here. DBLib tables can have multiple tables. DBLibs can have multiple tables in them. In this one, I've just got one, but I'm going to choose the table or tables that I want to import and go ahead and bring it in. I'll get a summary, as I do with all OpenBOM operations, about what's going to happen. You can see here my categories are set up. And finally, I'm just going to go ahead and bring in that data. Right, I get a completion message. I see that I've got a catalog. DBLib 1 was updated, DBLib 2 was updated. I also have some stuff in my Altium items, and that kind of interests me because I was expecting this to all be sent out to these two catalogs. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so what I find is I've got 3 items that don't have the supplier defined. So here's an example where using the category settings can help me identify items that are missing some data. These guys don't have any supplier. I probably want to go back and fix that. Second, I look at my Mouser catalog. These are all the things that I expect in here, brought all that data that I'm expecting. And certainly I can drill down and use this data in other OpenBOM bills of material. And then, of course, I got the DigiKey catalog as well. So that kind of based on what I asked OpenBOM to do. So we released this today, support for Altium DBLibs. Give it a look. And of course, always look forward to hearing from you at support@openbom.com.